What kinds of things did we talk about? Let's have you guys make up your own quiz.
Our favorite bit.
But you have to make sure that you answer it correctly.
Alright, I got
It
this.
has to be a math one, not just like a.
What is the
Oh,
derivative of?
How do, yeah, go from raw score to z-score, raw score to z-score. Formula.
Oh, we get it wrong. Wow.
What is the total area under the curve?
Oh.
No, not that easy, Jonathan. A little more challenging.
Alright, so
No. Oh, here's my standard.
this is has a standard deviation of 2.
Yes.
What is this value?
Seriously? Jonathan's was harder than that.
Okay, well how much percent?
All right, we'll just, no, we'll just let that.
Then
We'll-
3, what's this percentage?
Oh, half of it?
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Wait, percentage?
Approximately.
Um, 1 standard deviation.
One standard deviation away from the mean. But, you know, only in the positive direction, correct?
Okay.
And number 4 would be Jonathan's, what percentage of the data lies above the mean? Right?
Yeah.
Or half the normal distribution? Half the normal distribution.
Wait, for 3 or 4?
For 4.
What's more?
Joe, what was that?
And number 5,
What was 3?
What was the
3
area?
was the percentage that lies 1 standard deviation away from the mean in the positive direction.
And then 4.
4 was my question.
4 was your question.
Okay,
How
answer.
much data lies half? And number 5 is the challenging one. What is a z-score? What does a z-score tell you? Oh, I sprained my leg, I think. That's not what it tells you. What does a z-score give you? Or tell you? If I say your z-score is 3, what does that mean?
What was number 2?
What's that value right there?
Oh.
With the standard, and I resent that picture because that's not a sigma.
Oh,
That's okay, we'll let it slide, only because you got accepted to Cornell.
dang. What was John's question again? Half the data?
Yeah.
What percentage of the data lies, what's the probability of getting a number,
Okay.
a z-value that's under half the normal distribution? All right, pass them up. Am I on? Are we on camera?
Yeah.
Are they gonna take quizzes by themselves when they come back? They have their quizzes
Well, I
ready?
mean, if they see the video, then we can start the quizzes too, so.
Yeah, that.
So just so you know, I want to share this with you because you guys won't be here to see it. But next year we're gonna start requiring the Inspire, the one that he has. And on this Inspire, this TI Inspire, oh my God, actually would love it. It's so much better than the Casio. First of all, it has color like the Casio does when you graph. And then you can do polling. So I can do my daily quizzes on your
What?
calculator. Because we're going to use this thing called the Navigator system. And so you come in and your calculator has a little cap on it that connects wirelessly to my computer. And so I can send you, like you come into my class and you log in, like you put your username and your password or whatever on your calculator. And then automatically a quiz gets sent to you. And so you have to answer the quiz. And I can put like graphs, it's like a little mini computer, so it works like Microsoft Word, so I can cut and paste graphs, or I can, do all the math type is in there too. So bitchin'. So you log in, you start taking the quiz, and you submit it, and it automatically goes to my computer, and I get the results. I don't have to grade quizzes anymore. I'll have the results there, and then I can go over the answers. Oh my God, it's like Christmas for me. It's like mini Christmas. So excited. And you can use it in your other classes too. Like you could take a vocab quiz on your calculator. Or I could go, oh, I want to see how many people understand this. So I can just type something in, boom, it goes to your calculators. You answer the question, and then you get like a bar graph of how many answered A, how many answered B. And, oh my God, it's like, seriously, it's like a teacher's Christmas.
Whatever happened to just like talking, man?
Yeah, whatever happened to like, yeah. Pretty much you're gonna be able to stay home, and I'm gonna give you a quiz, and I'm
Yeah,
gonna lecture video last
minute.
There won't be any interaction whatsoever.
Sit there quietly.
Even though we're social beings, we're not. Okay, z is equal to the raw score x minus the mu, the mean over the standard deviation. 77. That value, that z value is 77, right?
Yes.
Okay, approximately 34% of the data is between one standard deviation in the positive direction. 50% is underneath half the curve, 50%. And number 5 is your z-score is the number of standard deviations you are away from the mean. That's what that is. It has to be standard deviations away from the mean. I'm not sure what Grant Yosenic, what notation you're using there for sigma. It's not an uppercase sigma, it's a lowercase sigma. Right? Grant?
Yes. Well,
Yes, Mom. Okay. All right, take your homework out. Probably was difficult.
The assignment part, yeah.
The assignment part was
No.
Yeah, you didn't get the first one because you had to kind of use the idea that the sum of the probabilities is 1. The sum of all the probabilities is 100%.
Hey guys, when's our kindergarten quiz?
Tomorrow.
Okay. What did I pull up?
Oh, no, I just read this one first. I wonder actually what's the worst one.
Next, are you that kid that like would be perfectly fine just learning at home, hanging out, and sleeping in, and then waking up around 11, watch some video lessons? Like you would do good with homeschooling, but homeschooling yourself.
It was easy because I could pause and like make little notes or like.
dude, Xavier.
But isn't it boring?
Dude, Xavier should have done like further math, you know.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know, it's a self-taught. You do it all yourself.
Okay. All right, so Xavier, you need to give me the normal distribution assignment and lesson 19. No, I think I got that from you. Just the normal distribution assignment. All right, that's that.
Yeah, Miss Smith, I sent him the video lesson.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for doing that, Grant. Okay. Yeah, I'm just looking at the, the binomials. Thank you.
I'm following assumptions that they're
Okay, got that.